Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Kargil Vijay Divas, celebrated every year on the 26th of July, marks the success of Operation Vijay. On 26th of July 1999, the Kargil war ended with India's victory. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26 July every year in honor of the Kargil war heroes. This day is celebrated in the Kargil Dras sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. Ahead of the Kargil Vijay Divas, the Indian Army put up on display the weapons and arms which were used in the Kargil war, leading to India re-establishing its supremacy over Pakistan.
We have just witnessed a demonstration of Bofors gun. The gun is highly capable of firing in various terrains. The gun is capable of firing in both low angle as well as high angle. The gun has a maximum range of 30.9 kilometers. The same gun has been used in Kargil war at number of locations. It has conquered various heights and fired variety of ammunition in both direct as well as indirect firing rule. The gun was very beneficial and it has been used in each and every operation, every objective it has fired upon.
The Kargil war is etched in the mind of every Indian. Many Indian soldiers died fighting for the country, and the sacrifice can never be forgotten. On the occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, functions will be organized all across the country to commemorate the contribution of the armed forces. Well, that's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.